place is coming down! I gotta shoot the pipes! There's fire everywhere! I can see the door! I'm coming!
Help! Jason!
No! Not that one! Definitely not that one! Can't take any more of this heat! Shit! Stay calm, Lisa! I'm coming! Don't worry! I'm here!
Oh my
Stay
God!
still!
They took Oliver! They took Oliver!
Can't do anything about him now! Okay, go! I have an idea!
Oh no, I can't do this!
It's the only way down! Come on!
Oh my God!
Are you okay?
I think so.
Over there! That truck!
He's after me! Okay! Going after him! Take out the vehicle!
Lisa, you drive!
What?
Drive!
Okay.
Oh my God! Hey!
Damn it, it won't start. Let's go, Jason!
Did you see that explosion?
What? Something exploded! What's going on back there?
Traffic control!
I can't do this! No, how am I supposed to handle this?
You're doing fine!
They're shooting at us!
Wait back!
What are you doing? You're shooting at them, Jason!
Don't jerk the wheel!
You're not helping!
Drive straight! You're making me miss!
How can I focus with them shooting at me?
Heads at 10 and 2! 10 and 2!
You wanna drive? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God!
Faster! Faster!
We're off-road, I can't!
Says who? The cops? Why did you turn off the truck?
No! It died!
Tickle the key! To press the pedal!
What does that even mean?
Lisa! Those motherfuckers never knew what hit them. Ha ha! We did it!
You think almost being killed or sold into slavery is fun?
Hey, Lisa, calm down.
It's a nightmare.
Okay, listen, I'm fixing this. Do you know where the pirates took the
They
others?
took Oliver to some place called the Bunker. I'm not sure about Keith or Daisy.
What about Riley?
I don't know anything about Riley or Grant.
Grant's dead.
Jason, I'm so sorry.
But I found Daisy. I'll find the others.
Where is she?
A safe place. I'll take you there. Daisy told me she's in a cave under the house.